Which door are you talking about? The one that's locked?
Does it matter if the keys are in the trunk?
It depends on how the trunk opens.
From inside.
Okay. A button or it matters. You may have problems. Yeah, we may have problems. If the back seats don't go down, we may have problems. We're gotta get it open first.
Yeah, once we get the doors open, I can just press a button every time.
Okay. No, no, it's not gonna work like that. Because what's gonna happen is once we get the doors open, the alarm is gonna go off. And when the alarm is enabled, the security is not gonna allow anything else to open.
The back seats.
The back seats fall down? That's, yeah, okay, so that's all we need. If that falls down, we're gonna be fine. Y'all have no home training? I think she get that now.
Bobby's working so lazy now. I mean, not the first business. Shrek back in. Did you know she closed the door and locks again? Also, she opened the door early on the phone. Are you listening? Sorry for making you do your job today.
Huh?
Sorry for making you do your job today.
No, this ain't my job. I just know what to do. That's why I'm just like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, once I unlocked the door, I could have just left, but I'm like, I wasn't gonna leave you like that.
Thanks. Would have been here all night. Oh no, we'd have called you back. Couldn't get up that easy. That was pretty nifty what you did though, with the little things.
He just showed you how to break into cars.
It ain't quite as easy as you think it is.
Yeah, that was really time consuming. If I gotta put that much effort to break in, I don't want to know. Just go bust the windows for that.
Right. See, now this is where we gotta fight with it.
I remember when I bought my car to the hotel and the guy who cleaned it broke my driver's side fully handle.
And you fix it?
No, because I didn't realize it. He just put it back together and made it seem like it was fine. And whenever I tried to get out, the whole thing fell. What the hell?
I don't know.
Do you remember Paul from Slower?
Oh, no. You let him do what here?
Can I see your key?
Yes. You gotta press that little button.
Just like lay out in the bed.
Perfect.
Thank you.